Hi guys, it is Friday. Happy Friday, May 1st, 2020. I hope you've enjoyed adding to your calendar this week. Remember that our job is to use a calendar to measure time. So today I want to see how you can use this calendar to measure time. But before we get to that, let's go to our back to our book from Epic that we read earlier this week, and we're just going to do a quick review here. Chapter 1 here says tracking time. Close your eyes. Imagine something that can fly without wings. It moves forward but not backward. Once you lose it, you can never get it back. What could this amazing thing be? It says time. Time, of course. Time goes by and it moves forward. We don't go backward in time, we go forward. Tomorrow is Saturday. We can't come back to Friday. We can go forward to the next Friday. It is time every day. We have time that keeps going, moving forward and forward. People use calendars and clocks to measure time. Clocks, we know by what we've learned, that they keep track of hours, minutes, and seconds. And then we've learned this week that calendars divide a year into months, weeks, and days. And people rely on these tools every day. Calendars and clocks help people make plans and to stick to schedules. Calendars or clocks come in many styles. We know that clocks come in like an analog clock. We also know we have digital clocks. And calendars can be on a paper that we hang up on the wall, but we also have a calendar on our smartphones. We have calendars on our laptops. On our Chromebooks, we can pull up a calendar. So they can come in many different styles, but they all do the same thing. They keep people on time and organized. These simple tools bring order to everyday life. Using a calendar, that's what we've been talking about this week, right? People use calendars every day. Calendars are charts. They help people keep track of long periods of time. Each year has 365 days, 12 months, and 52 weeks. All calendars have basic information. They'll list the month and the year. They also have columns. Okay, so they have the columns that go up and down, and then you have your rows that go left to right. The days of the week are usually labeled at the top along the columns from left to right. And then the days of week usually start with Sunday and end with Saturday. Each row in a calendar represents 1 week, and there are about 4 weeks in 1 month. Each little box in a calendar stands for 1 day. So the first day of the month is numbered with 1. Each month has between 28 and 31 days. The days are often numbered from left to right and from the top to the bottom on a calendar. So we count across. And then we come to the next row and keep on going, and we keep on going all the way down to the calendar. So let's go back to our lesson and let's talk about what we are going to be doing today. Let's read our you do here. I will use a calendar to measure time. So we've added in days. You've been doing that Monday and Wednesday. Today you're going to use your calendar to measure time. You are going to open up your journal and you're going to start with this sentence here. Today is Friday. What? Today, and we'll do this part together. Today is Friday, May, and I want to actually make this in a different color so that it sticks out for us. Today is Friday, May what? May 1st, right? May 1st, if we look at our calendar here, Friday, May 1st. May 1st, 2020. Then you're going to continue writing and fill in the blanks. There are blank days until Cinco de Mayo. So this is how you're going to show me that you're using a calendar to measure time. So we're here and we need to get to Cinco de Mayo. You would count and then fill in the blank. Then you continue with the next sentence. Keep on writing. We have blank days until Memorial Day. So then you will count from today to get to Memorial Day, how many days until Memorial Day. And then you're going to fill in the last part. The last day of school is, and you'll fill this in. What day is the last day of school? May what? Now I want you to write this. I want you to practice your handwriting. Please do not send me a typed document. I want you to take out your journal and I want to see your handwriting. I want you to do your best. Remember, we're using complete sentences starting with capital letters and making sure that you end with your punctuation. If we type up a document, you're not practicing your handwriting. So please do open up your journal in a notebook and do this assignment in your notebook so that you can practice your handwriting. Once you're done, take a picture, send it to me, upload it to the assignment, and that's it. So if you have any questions for me on this assignment, feel free to reach out to me. Talk to you soon. Have a great Friday and a wonderful weekend. Goodbye.